guys, today's video, mangadto ta sa asik-asik waterfalls sa Cotabato. This video will guide you how to go there and other things to do and also place to stay. And guys, if you happen to be the first time here, please help me subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you can be notified for the next travel video that I am creating. So guys, we are heading to Asik Falls and we started our journey from Ecoland bus terminal here in Davao City. The bus fare to Libungan from Ecoland is 432 pesos. So,
hi guys. So,
how many hours do you have to the travel time?
so we're gonna travel for about 5 hours to Libungan.
Alright.
It's actually lesser if we're riding a van, but since we're riding a bus, there's a lot of stopovers.
Okay.
So that's the reason why we're gonna take 5 hours.
Alright. We'll see how it goes. Guys, we are heading to Asik and from Davao City we arrived here in iCloud 10 and this is the view. What you are looking right now is we're standing here at iCloud and this is our cottage that we rented. We actually got it very cheap because it's like reopening after COVID and it's okay to come here. It's also fine that if you're there to drive to Cotabato, then it should be okay. And just don't drive when it's dark. And after this one, after our breakfast here, tada! That's our breakfast. That's the caldero, rice. Filipino always eat rice early in the morning. Basically, every meal Filipino love to eat rice. Also, I am a Filipino and I love rice. And after this one, we will be heading to Asik and we will be showing you how beautiful Asik is. We are heading to Asik with Kuya and the tuk-tuk. Guys, we are hiking now down to Asik Falls and this is the view. There are more information under the description of this video. Just check them out, and if I happen to miss anything, you just comment on this video and I'll answer you. Thank you so much for watching.